watchmaker, here I come riding the wave, walking on the water. A watchmaker, here I come riding the wave, walking on the water. A watchmaker, here I come, break, break, break. Watchmaker, here I come riding that wave, walking on the water. A watchmaker, here I come riding the wave, walking on the water. Good evening, watchmaker. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Trinitron9, your watchmaker right back.
All by yourself right there, a watchmaker, all by yourself right there, right now. A watchmaker, you was all by yourself right there, right now. Break, break, break. Hey watchmaker, I'm waiting on you there, I'm waiting on you there. Hey watchmaker, I'm waiting on you, but here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Hey watchmaker, here I come again, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
18-9, I can tell you squeezing something over there. You're warming up while you're walking on water and riding the wave.
Right back, watchmaker. Hey watchmaker, the video gate don't lie, man. Hey watchmaker, the video gate don't lie, man. You the only one making that trip right now, watchmaker. You the only one bumping and grinding right now. You know I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. Watchmaker, break, break, break. Hey watchmaker, here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water. I'm riding the wave, walking on the water. I'm trying to clean out your radio, watchmaker. Here I come, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break. Let me bump it down one more time. Watchmaker, look like you lost your conditions. Hey watchmaker, look like you lost your condition. Let me bump it down one more time and I'm gonna get out of the middle of this water. Hey watchmaker, I'm gonna bump it down one more time and get out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. Take care, watchmaker. The man walking on the water, the man riding the waves, the man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down.